In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unsubdivide in Blender. How you can unsubdivide in Blender. So, what you have to do is to go here to modifiers and you go to add modifier, and here you need to look for decimate. By mistake, I just added this array. So this one, decimate, yeah. This one, decimate. I'm trying to zoom in, but this program that I'm using to zoom in, it's kind of like interfering with the software. Anyway, this one, click on it, and now here you click on subdivide, and now this is the magic, really awesome modifier. You increase here, and by the way, I see here the geometry. If you, probably, I guess you don't see geometry in object mode. So if you want to see geometry, go to, where is it? Here. Go to here, and then here you have geometry. Enable this, please. And here we have geometry now. Sorry, here. So yeah. Now we increase this. We have less geometry. Now Control A to apply this modifier, or you can do it from here, apply, or you can use the, I like to use this shortcut Control A to apply the modifier. Saves you some steps. Good, it's really good. And now we have, go to edit mode, we have less subdivisions. So I really hope, guys, this short tutorial saved you time and you learned something, and now you are happy because you found a solution. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video. I really appreciate it, really help a lot. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. You guys are awesome.